Every year, roughly 3,000 dryers catch fire in American homes. Here's the strange part. Most of those dryers were working exactly the way they were designed to. So what went wrong? Fire needs three things: heat, fuel, and air. A dryer has all three on purpose. It makes heat to dry your clothes. It moves huge amounts of air. And the fuel? That's the part nobody thinks about. Remember where lint comes from? It's millions of tiny cotton and fabric fibers. Thin, dry, and fluffy. That's not trash. That's kindling. Fire starter companies literally sell products that are basically compressed lint. Your lint screen only catches about 75% of the lint. The rest slips past it and builds up inside the exhaust duct, the part you never see. Year after year, that hidden layer gets thicker. Here's the chain reaction. A clogged duct means hot air can't escape. Trapped heat makes the dryer run hotter and longer. Now you've got rising heat, plenty of air, and a machine lined with kindling. The triangle is complete. The fix is boring, and that's good news. Clean the screen every single load. Get the duct cleaned once a year. More if drying takes longer than it used to. And check that the outside vent actually opens when the dryer runs. That's it. One more thing. In laundromats and commercial laundries, the fire everyone worries about isn't lint at all. It's clean, supposedly dry linens that catch fire all by themselves, hours after every machine is off. No spark, no flame, nobody in the building. That one is pure chemistry, and it's the next video.